Here we are at 1000 Ladybird in Melissa. Very pretty corner lot. Give you a little pan of the neighborhood. Let's go take a look. Step in, looks like we have luxury vinyl plank. Two-story entry, very light and open to the right. In the front, there's a good sized bedroom with a closet, very tall ceilings. Wow, deep walk-in closet. Carpet is in good condition. There's a full bath with a tub shower combo. And then also to the right, there is a study with double doors. 8-foot doors. These are the, feel like solid core doors. To the left, full laundry room. Closet. And access to the garage. Looks like they're packing. Nice big family room, kitchen area. Highland Homes does this really pretty side cabinets and really wine storage. Large bar, or large island with bar. Quartz on the counters, marble on the backsplash. 5-burner gas stove with vent, upgraded glass cabinets. These are pretty dishes too. Wall oven, looks like it's a convection oven, and microwave. And nice pantry. A lot of light in this 2-story living room. It's going to be a gas log fireplace. Let's head outside. Out back, there's a covered patio. A pretty good sized yard. The masonry wall is a very nice upgrade. Typically, the HOA covers the maintenance of those walls. There's a little area around the side. Got one tree planted. And this is nice. There's really no windows looking into your backyard. All right, let's go back inside. All right, back inside. We'll give a slow pan of the kitchen and family room area. So the way this is set up, there's a big area for a table right here where they have the square table, the big seating area, living room, and then there's this other area here which almost could use another little table or something here. So kind of interesting. Back to the master suite. Carpets look clean. Lots of light in this bedroom. light and bright master bathroom, soaking tub, and step-in shower. Well, this is a nice touch. You can get in without getting, and turn on the water without getting your hair wet. Water closet and big closet here. A linen closet right there. Let's head upstairs. Game room loft, and it overlooks the foyer as well as the family room. Little window seat, nice architectural detail there. First bedroom upstairs, vaulted ceilings, carpet in good condition. Walk-in closet. Bedroom 2 upstairs. Looks about just the same. Walk-in closet. And hall bathroom with dual sinks and tub shower combo.
So this one is
Happy Pet Company.